Hey everybody, welcome back to the Lazy Jeep Guy channel. Christmas is right around the corner, and so when Christmas is coming, I get excited. How excited do I get?
10 a.m. Santa's coming to town.
Santa! Oh my God! Santa here? I know him.
So, in order to celebrate the holiday, here's what I've decided to do. I've decided to decorate my Mojito Jeep by attaching that wreath with the beautiful flashing lights on it. Come on along in this video and I'll show you how easy it is to do so you can do it on yours too. Hi there, I just wanted to take a second to thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy it. Before you go on, I'm going to ask you to do one thing for me. Click on this little icon here on the bottom of the screen. It's a subscription button. It'll take you all of 2 seconds, and it'll ensure that every time I crank out material and videos that you'll be notified and have a chance to watch it. But more importantly, what it does is it tells me that you like me spending my time on this little hobby, and you'd rather have me do this than do maybe some more important things like, I don't know, maybe yard work or painting. I really can't tell you how much I hate yard work and painting. Please click on this. Please save me from a lifetime of yard work and painting. Here's the video. Hope you enjoy. Thanks. All right, this little project, it all starts with getting the right set of lights. And here you can see I ordered these no-name Coxley battery-operated string lights off Amazon. They're very inexpensive. I'm going to leave a link to them in the description attached to this video. When you open the box, you'll find 2 full sets of string lights. This is one. You can see the battery pack. It takes 3 AA batteries, and you'll see the attached remote. Each set comes with its own remote. You pop the batteries in, place them where you want, turn them on, and away you go. It's really a neat and easy application and solves a lot of problems concerning splicing wires or hot wiring it into your car's system. If you want to have a Christmas wreath or decoration on your Jeep, but you don't want to bother with all that cutting and splicing, I would recommend these to you. Come along and I'll show you exactly what it looks like installed. After you buy the lights, your next most important ingredient in this is to get yourself a decent sized wreath. And a lot of it will depend on how you're fastening into your Jeep, how big your bumper is, and what you want it to look like. In this case, I bought it's about a 24-inch wreath that we had lying around the house, not doing much of anything. You'll notice I wound the lights over and around and through, leaving the battery pack just tucked away. And a tip for you, if you're going to be doing this and fastening a wreath to a bumper or frame part of your Jeep, I used these rubber, they're wire ties, they're wrapped in rubber, and it turns out to be kind of perfect because as you can see from the back here, it supports it tightly, and it won't mar or scratch or ruin any of the surfaces you have. I happen to have some of those lying around, so that's what I used. And this is what it looks like fastened. And the beauty of it is it comes with this little remote control, so you can activate it without having to worry about pulling the plug or unplugging the battery. The lights are rated for indoor and outdoor, so you can run around with it all season long without worrying about anything. And then when you're done, you just take it off. No fuss, no muss. Tuck it away and bring it out next year. All in all, I'm very happy with how this turned out. And it looks great at night, as you can see from some of these other clips I'm about to show you. Thanks for tuning in. That's it for Lazy Jeep Guy videos for 2020. I hope you've enjoyed them all. I'm learning, I'm trying to improve as I go along, and I hope it shows in the quality of the videos you're watching. Please don't forget, hit subscribe if you're interested in seeing more of these videos as they come out. It's a great motivator for me. Otherwise, I hope everybody has a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays and a much better New Year to come. Thanks.